Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. How you're doing today? So today I'm going to be showing you how to properly tag your YouTube videos in order to get more views. So please stay tuned and kindly like, comment, share and subscribe if you haven't done so. Tags are words or phrases used to give YouTube context about a video. They are designed to help you to understand your video content and what your video is all about. When a viewer searches a particular word or phrase on YouTube and that word or phrase is in your tag, there's a possibility that your video will be among those that will appear before the person to view. So how do I get tags for my video? If and when I upload a video, I usually put myself in the shoes of the viewer. If I'm looking for this particular video, what are the keywords or phrases I will use to search for it? Let's say I uploaded a video on apple cake with apple cake recipe as the title. My first tag would be apple cake recipe. Then to get other tags, I go to my YouTube app, go to search, then type in apple cake. There will be a drop down of words and phrases which other users have used to search for it. I copy the ones that are more related to my video, then go to my description, that video description below it where there is add tag, and add each of them. I come back to the YouTube search again and type in another phrase, let's say apple cake recipe. Check out the drop down and pick out the ones that are related to my video too. Go back to the add tags and add it again. Okay, for the third phrase, I can come and write how to make apple cake. Do the same thing as I did in the previous ones. Go to my add tags and add all of them. I'll continue like this till I get out all the possible phrases I think someone can use and search for this video. Then add all of them to my add tags section. Remember to always separate each of the tags with commas. And here are the various tags I've gotten for my videos. I wouldn't leave here without letting you know the rules you have to follow when adding tags to your video. Thank you so much for watching, and do watch out for my next video where I'll be showing you how to get tags from popular and trending videos and from your popular YouTubers using an app I will be showing you. Bye bye.